Hello everyone, I am Kajal Trivedi, yoga trainer. So today we will learn a new asan named vrikshasan. Vrikshasan, you can say tree posture. So what is the benefits of tree posture? Today I will teach you in my yoga session. So let's get started. Stand straight with your feet at a distance of 2 inches. Bend your right leg, raise it up and keep on inner thigh of your left leg. Now be in namaskar position. Now take a deep breath in and slowly stretching your arms up. Breathe in and out normally for about 10 to 30 seconds. Hold on this posture for a few seconds. Now lower your right leg to the ground and bring your arms down. Now repeat the whole process with your left leg. Hold for 10 to 20 seconds. And you can repeat this asan 2 to 3 times. This asan increases the balance and alertness of the brain. This asan strengthens your muscles of the legs. It increases your concentration power. It makes your body healthy and mind relaxed. So you can repeat vrikshasan till 10 to 20 seconds. Till then, practice yoga at home. See you in my next video. We will learn one more new asan in my next video. And do not forget to like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel.